Hello, fellow trainers. I'm TrainerJames, and you're watching Pokemon TCG Crack-A-Packs, and today we have the Champion's Path. We have 5 Champion's Path packs to open up. Ooh, that's a cool Gardevoir. And I actually bought 2 of these boxes, so I'll go ahead and show you the art, the Machamp, and the Gengar right up close. And they also come with these really cool, they look like gym badges for the Stow Inside Town from Sword and Shield, but here's the ghost and here's the fighting. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open up a pack. There you go. There's a code card. So I don't know what we could get, what we can't get. Let's see. Let's assume. Let's say it's fire. It's water. Okay. Well, we have Suspicious Food Tin, the Pokemon Center Lady. Ooh, Hop. Cool. A Scraggy, a Rockruff, Hatena, Nickit, Inkay, a Pokeball, and our rare. Ooh, it's a Hollow Marnie. Very cool. I'm trying this new setup, and in terms of like opening cards and stuff like that. So we'll see how well it does. Water fighting. Okay, whatever. Anyways, ooh, that's a cool Arbok art. Bead. Do you say bead or beady? I say bead, but let me know in the comment section below. Another Scraggy, Rockruff, a Vulpix, a Galarian Linoon, a Full Heal, a Hop, and our rare, ooh, a Hollow Lycanroc. Very cool indeed. I assume all the cards are white, maybe? Or maybe they're just all hollows or something. I have no idea. Water. Electric. Okay. Sure. Hop again. Ooh, that is a thick Beedrill. Rotom Phone. Trubbish. Roly-Coly. Galarian Zigzagoon. A Weedle. A Purloin. And Ekans is our reverse hollow. And our rare, ooh, is a hollow Zygarde. Very cool. Very cool indeed. There you go. There's a code card. 1, 2, 3. What do you think it's going to be? Let's say fighting. Oh, electric again. Turffield Stadium. Beedrill. Great Ball. Potion. Rockruff. A Weedle. A Swablu. Kakuna. Whoa, what? Whoa! That is a cool energy. Reverse Hollow? Fire? That is awesome! And our rare? It's a full art Hop! Yeah! Right on. Okay. Let's just set you right there. Okay. Cool. We got a full art Hop. Like, you know what? Let's spice up the game a little and give them all excellent pulls. I think I'm upside down. Fire. Psychic. I am upside down. Alright. Great Ball. Milo. So buff with such a baby face. Turffield Stadium. Nickit. Swablu. Machop. Galarian Zigzagoon. Vulpix. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Hatterene. Awesome. And our rare is the Hollow Hatterene. So we have the Reverse Hollow and the Hollow Hatterene. So together we have a completely holographic Hatterene. That's awesome. Well, I'm gonna dig into this box. And here's a code card for you. Awesome. Okay, I think I fixed the camera. Anyways, there's the code card. 1, 3. Fighting. Water. A hyper potion. Great for Nuzlocke. Sharpedo, Suspicious Food Tin, Pokeball, Sizzlipede, Galarian Zigzagoon, Scraggy, a Rockruff. Ooh, we got another hollow or reverse hollow energy. This time the steel energy. These are so cool. I didn't know those were a thing. And our rare, ooh, it's a 4 Alcremie V. Shout out to Swigs. Oh, that's awesome. Put you over here with Hop. Let's see if I can't do it like the pros. There we go. Well, bam. 1, 2, 3. Fire. Psychic. Okay. Sure. Suspicious Food Tin. I want to know what this is. What this suspicious food tin is. Great Ball. Scraggy. Pokeball. Galarian Linoon. Hatenna. A Swablu. Hatchrim. The reverse hollow Hatchrim. Now I just need a reverse hollow Hatenna. And our rare is another hollow Lycanroc. There you guys go. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Fire. Steel. Hyper Potion. Another Malamar. That Machoke means business. Swablu. Machop. Galarian Zigzagoon. Vulpix. Rockruff. Reverse Hollow Ekans on our rare is a 4 Lucario V. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There you go. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Fire. Psychic. One of these days I'll guess right again. But not today. Not today. Roly-Coly. Oh wait. Reverse hollow. Wait a minute. What? Reverse hollow. Did I do this wrong? I did do this wrong. Huh. Well, our rare was a Scrafty. Okay. Well. Yep. I don't know how I did that wrong. I have no idea. 1 pack left, guys. See if we can't pull something extra special. Maybe. Let's see. Fire. Ooh, fire. Yes. Okay. Pokemon Center Lady. Hop. Well, I don't see why they just don't call her Nurse Joy. That's what everyone calls her. Even in the Pokemon games, they call you Nurse Joy. The anime just wore off on us. Ooh, another one. Yes. I'm gonna try collecting this whole set right here. This is so cool. And our rare is a shiny, or not a shiny, a hollow Altaria. So our pulls was a full art Lucario V, an Alcremie V, and a full art Hop. Yes. Those are pretty cool though. I'm not mad at those. Those are nice. Alright. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And yeah. Alright. Goodbye.